Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather Corinne, and today we're going to be crocheting this cute ice cream pint cozy. I'll post a list of materials and stitches we'll be using in the description box below, as well as a link to my blog post where I've typed this pattern out for you. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and you won't miss my next project. Let's get started.
This pattern is designed to fit a standard pint of ice cream. This is a Halo Top ice cream that I had laying around. And you see we just make a cute little cozy that it slips down inside to keep your hands warm. I'm using Wool Ease Thick and Quick yarn, but you could use any bulky yarn that you would like. And I'm also using a size N or 9mm crochet hook. To begin, we're going to create a magic circle and single crochet 6 stitches into the magic circle. Here we are coming up on our 6th stitch into that magic circle, and I keep pulling my hook out. And now we're going to pull this loose end of our magic circle tight. So we've got 6 single crochets inside, and when we pull this loose end, it cinches up our magic circle. For round 2, we're going to place 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 12 single crochet for round 2. So that's the first single crochet, and here is the second single crochet into that same stitch. I like to use a stitch marker in the first stitch of each round to keep my place. I love these interlocking ones because they don't fall out, and I've linked them below for you. They're my absolute favorite. And so here I'm going to move on to the next stitch where I place 2 more single crochet, and we'll just continue until we get back to the stitch marker. For round 3, we're going to place 2 single crochet in the first stitch. So here's 1, 2, and then I'm going to pop that stitch marker back into the first stitch of this round to keep our place. And then in the next stitch, we're going to place 1 single crochet, and we're going to repeat this all the way around. 2 single crochet into 1 stitch, 1, 2, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, which will be a total of 18 stitches for round 3. So here we are at the end of round 3, and so we'll not be increasing anymore. We're going to create the little lip that makes the bottom of our cozy. So in this next round, we're going to single crochet in the back loop only, all the way around in each stitch for a total of 18 stitches for round 4. So I've popped that stitch marker back in, and I'm using just the back loop to single crochet. So here we are at the end of round 4. We've made that little lip for the bottom. We're going to pop this stitch marker out, and for rows 5 through 10, we're going to single crochet in each stitch around both loops only. Tip I like to use when I'm repeating a lot of the same rows in rapid succession is to leave the stitch markers in the first stitch of each row so that you can easily count how many rows you've completed, and you'll see how I'm doing that here in just a moment. So rows 5 through 10, single crochet in each stitch, 18 total stitches per round. So here we are coming up to the end of round 10. As you can see, I have left all of those stitch markers in there for you to be able to tell how many rows that we've completed. So now I can see that we have done rows 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so I'll go ahead and pop those stitch markers out. To finish up this project, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch of what would be the next round, and then we're going to chain 1 and tie off with a medium tail. And we'll pull through that chain 1 stitch to secure. And the last step is to take a tapestry needle and weave in our loose ends, and then we will be done. These are my favorite tapestry needles. They're metal, so they don't bend like the plastic ones that I've used in the past. I'll link those down below for you as well. I like to fold the yarn over the needle and then make a little like loop instead of trying to fit the tip through. I never can get the tips of yarn through the eye of a tapestry needle. It just frays so badly. And so I'm just flipping this inside out to weave down those loose ends. And now we'll just flip it right side out and we are done with this quick, fun little project.
I hope you have enjoyed creating this adorable ice cream pint cozy with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.